So alright guys, we're back. Of course for you wouldn't really notice a gap, but you can see that we ended up putting on our new masks. I can actually hang on here. You can actually see I've got my Mickey. Well, once I get myself straightened up so I actually look like Mickey, not like a freak show. So yeah, I got my Mickey, and then I showed a girl, and she's got her new backpack. Wears. Keep remembering, it's not an inverted stick. Up is up, down is down. So yeah, now we got that, and I also went ahead and readjusted the gimbal a little bit so that it fits a little tighter up against the body, and it is easier to keep level. But yeah, these masks are a lot easier to breathe through, and it seems like. So, do you want to head over to Pandora, or do you want to go that way?
Right here by Dinoland, if you want to go over here.
Yeah, we can go check it out. How you doing?
Hey, how are you guys today?
Doing good. She's like, I got my virtual Mickey mask. So yeah, everybody's so friendly when they realize they're on camera.
Like to show that they're like,
exactly.
At least with this kind of a mask on, and like my character is smiling.
I can fake it. Yeah, exactly.
But I really like the way these fit, and I like that this is soft enough here on the back of the ear.
Mm-hmm. Now just remember, if you want your stuff to show up now you really got to talk, because with all the music, it's not going to hear you at all.
I need to use my big girl voice.
Exactly. You need to use your big girl outdoor voice. But that's okay. We don't have to talk every second of every day. How you doing?
They're always like, somebody walking around with a gimbal. They must be important.
Yeah, exactly. Somebody's like, somebody's got a gimbal. No, I just want stable videos. I mean, it's not like I'm live streaming or anything. You know? Not yet, anyway. But someday.
Character dining. Yeah, no, that's not happening.
Yeah, guys, we know the character dining is not happening.
All right, we're hauling some booty. We need to slow down.
Yeah. We can take it a little easy. We don't have to run like
Anybody
mad.
on the river?
Yeah, I don't see anybody over on the river, guys, but
Ducks.
Ducks, yeah. Where? I love ducks.
About 25 minutes.
Cool.
If you guys are near the water and you hear music, head to the water.
Well, pretty much the good news is about being in this park is you're almost always near the water.
Yep,
somewhere.
Clockwise, it's always on your left. Clockwise,
Exactly. It's like, hey, we just do a loop and we'll just keep coming around. We already got one right when we walked in the park. So.
Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, there's about 5 or 6 boats.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a lot.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
Every day, it's getting a little shady. It's kind of nice.
Yeah. I don't mind if it's shady or sunny as long as there's a breeze.
Yes. Today there's a lot of a breeze.
Yeah, the breeze part's the part that's important to me.
Yeah, you can see it on the clouds. Some of the clouds up, the higher altitude clouds right there. The wind shear, it's got to keep.
Oh yeah.
For us, so it's kind of nice.
Well, today was a last minute thing for us. We were gonna go over to Disney Springs, and then we just happened to look at the calendar, and we're like, oh okay,
That's awesome.
we can get in. Let's go. So.
Absolutely. This park, like with this many people, you'll never see it again like this.
Oh yeah. Well, we came here on our honeymoon in '98 when we got married.
That's funny. I came here in my honeymoon in '97.
Yeah.
I was for California, and that's why I'm here, is because I was like, let's
Remember the days when they had Disney Quest?
Yes.
You know, we still have shirts that we got when they first opened with the it had the holographic changing pop up.
Wow.
We came back a few years later. People were like, "Oh, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that?" Oh, we got it like in '98, and
That's really cool.
yeah. So it's. We got little tinkers here and there. We're not avid collectors, despite all the stuff that we just picked up. But
Yeah, I'm not either. I like the design stuff.
we pick important stuff, and it's like, okay, we're gonna do here, okay, cool, I'm gonna have that. I got a Star Wars wall in my living room,
cool.
but
I'm a big Star Wars fan.
oh, I love, yeah. Can't work for Disney and not like Star Wars. I mean, it's just it's just wrong in so many ways. But well, you have a great day.
Yeah, you
Stay
too.
cool, stay safe. Yeah.
Trilobites.
Yeah, the way the system works
Buffalo.
is as
chicken
I
chips,
automatically change the view in and out, it automatically
soft
ups
serve ice
the mic and everything.
cream,
Yeah.
Kona.
Trilobites. It's like ice creams and milkshake, stuff that would probably make us ill. So yeah, this goes into Dino. They call it Donald's at Dino Bash now. Used to just be Dino Land and the Dino Land Institute.
Well, this is back on there where it says Discovery Island, because on the other side it says Dino Land when you're walking through.
Yeah. Adjust that view a little bit. That way I've got. It's not jalapeno. It smells like something jalapeno or something. See, and there's our Dino Bite snacks right there. That's where we usually go for our stuff.
They're closed.
But they're not. The big restaurant's closed. Dino Snacks is open. I can see the people standing in there and the windows are open. And I see people eating. But we can come back through here and we can grab a drink and sit and relax here in just a little bit if you want to.
Yeah, because it's toasty today.
Good thing is the moisture isn't going away. It's staying in the mask, so it's like if it gets hardcore enough, you can wring it out in your mouth or something. You're like, ooh. And see, I don't have to worry about reading any stream chats or anything like this because I'm just recording.
Yeah.
Which is nice. Yeah, there's that Primeval World. That's the piece that they closed down. So they're going to be replacing that with something else. And then, of course, we have Dinosaur, which I don't really feel comfortable riding at this point with the social distancing and all that. It's still a little too enclosed.
How they're doing that.
This feels good right here. Yeah, we can just walk around.
I'd like to get on the river ride over in Pandora.
Oh yeah, we'll get on that. Like I said, you probably should keep your phone handy-ish.
What we could probably do is later in the day, because like most of the people were saying in the other videos we've been watching,
Way to the left.
the other videos that we've been watching was that the people show up super early in the morning. You know, they stay for lunch or maybe a little while, and then in the afternoon, that's when everything starts to slow down. So maybe that's the best bet for that stuff.
Yeah. James Brown.
The license plates there.
Yeah. Yeah, this wraps around. This comes out around by that show, that show that's closed.
This guy right here reminds me of the dinosaur that's in the
Sinclair gas
Hollywood,
stations.
The Hollywood, well, him too, but the Hollywood Studios dinosaur, only he's much bigger.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, a lot of this stuff's not. I mean, because you have to touch it to play it, so.
Yeah, all the little carnival prizes and stuff like that, that's all kind of closed down. But it's kind of nice to just walk through, even if you're not going to get on any rides and stuff. It's just kind of nice to walk through. But yeah, that's a lot less busy than it used to be. So, so nice. So nice.
Yeah, because doesn't this wrap around?
This wraps around to Asia, and yeah, you go around the outside. This is where that little show, that Nemo Festival, goes, which isn't going right now for obvious reasons, but
I wouldn't be that close to people indoors anyway. I wouldn't be indoors 6 feet from somebody right now, other than my family.
yeah. The one thing I can say though is that Disney has done an outstanding job with the whole social distancing and making sure people are wearing masks. And I mean, yeah, you've got the occasional people that are going to sneak around and cheat the system a little bit. But for the most part, everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing. They know that if they get caught breaking the rules, they're going to be asked to leave. So I think Disney's done an outstanding job, and even now Universal has started to take cues from them, and they've changed their mask policies and things like that.
It's really nice that I don't feel like, even after I talk while I'm wearing this, that I don't feel like I have to constantly be readjusting it.
Yeah.
Like the other masks.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it tugs on my ear a little bit back here, like it does on yours too.
Yeah.
But it's not. But it's not uncomfortable. Oh, feel these fans. I'm gonna get a shot of this. Oh, there we go.
Yep. Oops, sorry.
we go, guys.
Hey everyone, say hello to some of your favorite fun-loving pals. They return from their dinosaur adventures down the Discovery River.
This is for that light show that they just retired. The River of Lights show at night. I've got that totally zoomed in. You just have to be real careful about the motor. You have to like flick it just a little bit here, a little bit there, otherwise you're not gonna capture it. I guess this is actually where they leave the stage right here. But yeah, I can zoom in on that pretty easily. But I have to be real careful. It's like you basically have to flick it a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. And over there, guys, way off in the distance, that's where when we got married, we could come over there and they had an actual river ride that actually brought you out here, but they don't have that anymore. Let me zoom out. Go to standard view. Alrighty.
We got a slurp. Do you want a slurp while we're standing away from everybody first?
Sure. Let me hand you the deal. I can trust you, right? You're not any cooties or anything?
Well, if I have cooties, you've already got them by now, that's for sure.
Yeah. Spray again to look good nasty.
It's very peaceful, kind of quiet over here. Not a whole lot of people standing around. You know, we're not in a walkway.
There's a bumblebee hanging out behind you.
Oh, he's just doing his business and he's just doing his business in the flowers. There's a couple of them over there, so
Yeah.
yeah, we'll give this back to
Hand
you.
it back to me. Okay.
Thank you for visiting us today.
Oh,
Just a few
clicked it in the
reminders.
lock.
Please wear a face covering at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Clean your hands
Okay.
often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing.
drinking something,
Thank
you
you.
need to be standing stationary. Like this one right here, she has her fucking mask on.
It's because she's an idiot. If they get caught doing it, they'll get thrown out. Great way to start your vacation. Public service announcement, people. If you're going to come to Disney, wear your mask. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but guess what? It's uncomfortable for everybody. It keeps everybody safe from everybody else. Wow, look at Everest. That's freaking awesome. That's sweet. This thing gets such awesome video, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on middle right now. I'm not even zoomed in, but when I come up here, yeah, and obviously this is where they're expecting the queue to actually end up at some point.
Yeah.
But look at that, people.
Look at all that bamboo.
That is
That's so
outstanding. Let me see if I can zoom in on the detail there. Wow, look at that. Look at that, girl. If I go slow, you can see. That is crazy. You hear the monkeys out there doing their thing.
Making some noise.
Making some noise, exactly.
I'm sorry, what's that? The bar. Oh, the bar. The bar, okay.
Bet you that'll show up on the microphone.
Yeah. Scream inside your heart.
Yeah. On that ride, I doubt it.
Yeah.
I don't care how tough you think you are.
Yeah. A little difficult.
Might scream in my pants, but go over there and get some video. in this area over here. No, I'm just gonna come over here real quick. It's the perfect place to get a video of people scaring themselves to death. There they go, never to be heard from again for 5 seconds. Okay guys, I'm gonna capture this here.
Could you imagine that bike if you get stuck up there having to walk down those stairs?
Oh, that would now be cool.
Yeah. I think it would be difficult not to scream.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. But yeah, even if I come down here to the dry riverbed and all that. All the bamboo and everything they've got in here. Pop a squat.
Chill off the person and.
Well, that's what shopping's for, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, they've got this bazaar right here, but this is an exit. I think the trees on the other side probably.
Yeah, after you ride the ride, that's the only way you can get into the store.
I really like these slabs.
Yeah. Zoom out here real quick. More screaming people.
It's difficult not to scream coming down off of that.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah, it's warm.
It's not too bad if you're walking in the shade like this. I mean, there is a breeze, so I mean, we would have been at quitting point a long time ago, I think.
I think that the walking maybe is helping.
That must be one of the entrances where, yeah, well, because they're drinking stuff. Yeah, because they got a entrance to the Everest right there. Thirsty Bar and Trek Snacks.
Yeah.
Chex Mix? Yeah, that's where you get fountain drinks there.
Yeah. I know over here they have I know they have a station over here where you can come out.
Yeah, the relaxation stations. Yeah.
Yeah, it's over here after the.
Yeah, and they got those hand washing stations and sanitation stations, right, that we just walked by another one. They're everywhere in here. Which I think is great. I mean, it's just, now the only downside is, you know, some of the areas where they did it next to what used to be a water fountain, and now the water fountain doesn't work because they've disconnected the water and hooked it up to the sanitation station. Hey, this place is open. I wasn't open when Tin Trekker came through.
That's ice cream as well.
Mm-hmm. And bottled drinks, yeah. It's another one of those Discovery, the adventure stations.
Hopefully I'll be able to get my Baby Yoda mask over at Hollywood Studios when we go at the end of August.
Well, there's other stores here too. I mean, when we go over into the Pandora store, they might have some in there because they have merchandise in there. Boy, these apes are having a blast. The apes are making some noise. You want to scoot over to the right a little bit there, girl?
Well, I couldn't determine how far back.
Because I'm walking right in the middle. And
I couldn't determine how far back the people were over here, so.
well, it's not blocked off, so it must.
They must have a reservation for the river ride because it's got like a sign there that says booking office. They are singing to one another.
I thought my neighbors were noisy.
That's kind of cute. Their little shrine. It's cute. There's lots of spider webs on it. whole bunch of them. Yeah.
And then out there in the distance, a lonely bicycle.
Yep.
It's an antique.
Yeah, we need to find somewhere to pop a squat
Hurting a little bit there, are you?
to chillax a little bit, dry off a little bit.
Yeah, I'm surprisingly not doing that bad.
Hydrate a little bit. Oh yeah.
It's a shade. Over here.
That's like an echo.
So like, thanks for chatting. Yeah, because I know there's some drink places up here too. We can stop and.
Poor little Eeyore has a mask on. That's cute. You'll really enjoy it again.
Don't tease the apes, dude.
Yeah.
That's a smart idea.
Just wait. We kind of got like a.
Okay. Let's wander.
Trying to wait because there was like a massive group of people there.
No you, no you, no you, no you. You first, no you.
We're like, hey, we own. Can we come in here instead?
Yeah.
It's in the sun. I don't want to do that.
There's a little shop right over here that might have what you're looking for, possibly. I saw Mickey ears and stuff. Tea. Why would I go get tea? Do they have fountain drinks though? Let's take a look and see what they got.
They got like smoothies and stuff.
Yeah, it's just, ooh, yeah, no, that's hot
God,
stuff.
that smells good though.
Smells really good, but yeah, no. Here we go. Yeah, they got. Yeah, they have beverages here. Let's just get that. Let's get something, and we'll pop a squat somewhere. Hopefully, it's fountain drink. It looks like, yeah, it is. They got fountain drinks, so that's awesome because I want ice. Gotta have the ice. I keep our eyes and ears open for if any of the Resort TV guys would move up on. I didn't realize I was actually sweating up here till it actually touched the side of my eyes. And I was like, ah! Felt my eye burning a little bit. I was like, why is my eye burning?
That's why I decided, you know what, I'm just going to leave the white shirt on, a white shirt and a white shirt, and some change it over to that other shirt.
Exactly. Honey sesame chicken. Yeah, that's not a good idea.
Teriyaki chicken salad.
I'm not even really all that hungry at the moment. In the heat, I'd rather have just a drink.
Well, I mean, like, I have like the munchies, but I
Chicken,
don't think that
chicken fried rice. Chicken strips. Chicken strips. Kids meal.
yeah, I like chicken strips.
You can ask them how many chicken strips come in the
French
kids meal.
fries,
And we
just a
can,
basket of French fries.
do they have just a basket of French fries? Oh
it's
yeah,
on the
okay.
sides.
Yeah, we can get a basket of French fries and
Just something
two drinks. Because I ain't sharing in this heat. You're on your own. I'll go ahead and stop the recording here so that you guys don't have to watch all the boring stuff. We'll start back up again once we're done eating and relaxing.